Hello and welcome back again to Gloria's Kitchen. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil for your hair, for your skin, for dark spots. Carrot oil is being used for so many things, even for cooking. So guys, please watch till the end and you will see how I made this carrot oil. Guys, I'll be using this carrot to make this carrot oil. Then I will also be using this olive oil. You should consider using a neutral oil such as olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil and sesame oil. I think these oils are neutral. Then I'll be using this grater to grate my carrot. So guys, let me show you how I will do it. Just get a grater and grate as much as you want, depending on how large the quantity that you want your oil to be. I'm using these lots of carrot because I want to show you the two methods of making your carrot oil. You can use 2 pieces, 3 pieces, depending on the quantity that you want. But because I want to show you the two methods of making carrot oil, and also I like to make a large quantity for my family use that can last for at least 2 months for us, so I'll be using these whole carrots for it. After grating the carrot, this is what I got. So I have to grate everything, then I will show you at the end. So guys, I have grated all the carrots and all of it. So for the first method, I got this glass cup. Then I added some quantity of carrots into it. Then I'll be adding my olive oil into it as well. Then while I'm doing this, guys, I've already put on my stove a boiling hot water. Okay, I've already put on my stove a boiling hot water. So I'll use my spoon to make sure that the oil gets to the bottom of the bottle. Once I'm done adding the oil, guys, I told you I've already placed a boiling hot water on my stove, so I have to put in this bottle into the boiling hot water. So this method is called the cooking method, but you have to cook it with this, and you don't have to cover this bottle to avoid blowing, or should I say breaking. I will cook this for 10 minutes. Guys, it's 10 minutes already, and I think I have cooked it enough. It's hot. You have to be very careful. If you're removing yours from the stove, please make sure you use a cloth. So going over to the second method number 2, I placed a frying pan with enough oil on it. I left the oil to be hot. Then I start adding my carrots. I will fry this in a low heat. I have to fry it until it dries up all the water in the carrot. So as you can see, the bubbles and everything in the frying pan, there is no more water. You are just seeing just oil and the carrot. How to know if your carrot is ready while frying it, once you use a spoon to bring it up, it will still start cooking on the spoon, just like it did on mine. So at this point, I am going to off the light. I fry this for about 10 minutes as well. The cooking method has cooled down, it's no longer hot, so I'm going to sieve it with a sieve. I have to extract the oil from the carrot using a sieve. I also use a spoon to press it. It's optional. You can just leave it there, but because I'm making this video, I want it to be as fast as possible. So I'm going to remove all the oil. I have to press it and extract all the oils from the carrot. So guys, after after extracting the carrot, this is the oil I got from the cooking method. So I'm adding it into a plate. Because I press it so hard, the cooking method still have a little water on it, so even the water extracted with it, but it doesn't matter. You just have to make sure you extract only the oil, okay? So this is what I got. So guys, I will now go over to extract the one from the frying pan. Yes, the frying method. That's the second method we did. I will do the same process. I will use a sieve and extract the oil from the carrot. For me, I think I like this method because no matter how you press the carrots, no matter how you press it in a spoon, you cannot extract water because everything has already been dried up when you were frying it. So it will only extract oil from the carrots and the olive oil that you added. So I think I prefer this method, and this frying method lasts longer than the cooking method, but it depends on what you want to use it for. So guys, I'm done extracting this. This also what I got. If you can see clearly, you can see that the color of the fried one and the color of the cooked one is very, very different. This one has a deeper yellowish color and the other one has a light color, as you can see in the picture. So guys, carrot oil is very good. What are the benefits of this carrot oil? The benefits are, as shown, it has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, many antis. It has vitamins and nutrients provided by the carrots, And does carrot oil remove dark spots? Yes, it removes dark spots and it tones the body as well. You should use carrot oil for skin lightening. It can be added to a cream or used in a mixture with almond oil. It tones the skin and even removes wrinkles. So carrot oil is very good. That cooked one, you can use it to, that fried one, sorry, you can also use it to cook food. You can also use it to fry egg, to make whatever food you want. The cooked one can be used for your hair. Carrot oil, our hairs need carrot nutrients. So all these things, we don't need to be buying them from the market. If you go to the market and see carrot oil, there is no other way they made it instead of it's just these two methods. Just these two methods. And maybe they might add flavor for it to have, which you yourself can do. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.